Hey guys, it's Tech Direct. Say hello to the Deltron. Hey guys, to start this build, I'm going to be talking about the processor. So for the processor, I decided to go with the 6-core, clocked at 3.9 GHz AMD FX 6350. Now this processor was around 150 bucks. That's what retails for in Canada. I ended up getting mine for a bit cheaper at 130. This processor is amazing for gaming at its price. It's good for budget end builds, and it helps me do whatever I want to do on my computer. I'm able to do some pretty good gaming on this, and I never had a problem. I didn't even have to overclock yet, which is really good. For the motherboard, we went with the $124 Asus M5 A97 R2.0 motherboard. This motherboard can support up to 32 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, running anywhere from 2133 megahertz down to 1066 megahertz. It does come with 2 PCI Express ports, 2 PCI slots, and it has 6 SATA 6 gigabyte slots. There's no reason to go any higher for this build. This was a perfect motherboard, and I fully support this board. For the RAM, I decided to go with the $65 G-Skills Ripjaws X Series 1 8GB stick running at 1600 megahertz. For gaming, this is way more than enough. If you're deciding to do video editing or more, 12 or 16 gigabytes might be suitable for you. But for me, just working with games, 8 gigabytes was more than enough, and this RAM stick gets the job done very well at 65 bucks. For the build, I decided to go with the Western Digital Blue 1 terabyte hard drive running at 7200 RPM. For $64, 1 terabyte of storage is amazing, and you can't go wrong there. I've been storing a lot of files on this, and it's been working perfectly. I got the 3-year warranty with it for $8, which I thought was amazing. So if anything ever goes wrong, I have that warranty. $64, you can't go wrong. 1 terabyte, amazing. And there's nothing else to really say except for I recommend this hard drive for everybody. There was no doubt in my mind that to complete this build, I needed an SSD. So I decided to go with Kingston HyperX Fury Series $79 120 gigabyte SSD. It claims that it runs 12 times faster than a hard drive running at 7200 RPM, which is great. I've been using this, and I've been playing a lot of games on it, and they've been opening and running very fast, which is very nice. For the power supply, I decided to go with Corsair's CS650 modular series. This series of power supply is 80 plus gold certified, which means you will be gaining an efficiency rating of over 90%, which is really good. This power supply is very, very, very quiet due to the fan only coming on when it is under a very heavy load. And if 650 watts was way more than enough for what I need. It was basically going any more than that, even by just a bit, would be overkill. It is modular, so this means that your cable management will be kept nice and clean, and your system will be looking amazing. And for $109, I don't think I could have went any other way than the CS650M by Corsair. For the graphics card, I decided to go with EVGA's GeForce GTX 960. I got the superclocked edition that has 4 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. This graphics card comes stock with 2 fans, which is really good for the users that like to overclock it. This means that it'll be kept really cool. This card comes with 1 HDMI port, 1 DVI port, and 3 display ports. For $314, I didn't think there was any other way to go than this graphics card. It's perfect for my needs, and I'm pretty sure it'll be good for any other needs. For the case, I decided to go with NZXT $99 S340 series case. I decided to pick up the white edition because I thought it looked way better. This case comes standard with 2 USB 3.0 slots in the front. Also comes with a microphone and a headphone jack. It comes with 2 120mm fans. It has amazing quality, like the build quality is really good. And it has nice matte finish at the top, which is really good for people who like to put stuff up there and hopefully not get it scratched. It does come with a window, which I find really nice because I'm able to see my whole build. And for $99, there was no other way to go. except for this case. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please like it. That helps me out a lot. Subscribe to my channel. It's amazing that I got to over 1,000 subscribers, which is really nice. And please comment down below if you have any things to say, and share this video with your friends. Thanks guys, peace out.